Students, today I will teach you the Earth in the solar system. You know that what is mean by solar system? The sun with its planets is known as sun's family or the solar system. Yes, all the objects that we see in the sky are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. In the sky, we see stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, all these are comets, all these are celestial bodies. Now, universe. Most astronomers believe that the formation of universe started about 15 billion years ago. Yes, universe means the total sky and with its all formation of with sun and others planets, that is called universe. The universe is still expanding as new stars are being born, and millions of stars together make a galaxy, and our sun is also a star, but actually the sun is nearest to us, that's why it looks bigger, and other stars are very far from us, that's why it looks smaller. Now the galaxy to which our solar system belongs is called the Akashganga or the Milky Way. On a clear night, you might be able to see the Akashganga. Have you seen? In the clear night, you will see a white path in the sky. That is Akashganga or the Milky Way. A light year is the distance that light traveling at a speed of 300,000 km per second covers in a year. Next, we will see stars and the constellation. Celestial bodies that produce their own heat and light are called stars. Like our sun. Our sun is also a star that I told you, and it has its own light. From the sun's light, we get the light. They appear as tiny specks in the sky because they are very far from us, that I told you. Now come constellation. If you look at the night sky closely, you can see cluster of stars. These groups of stars are called constellation. You have seen in the sky, there are some groups, many stars are very close to each other. These are called constellation. Astronomers have joined the stars in a constellation by imaginary line giving them different. Different constellations are Ursa Major, Great Bear, etc. Next come the solar system that I told you before, that sun with its family means with its all planets are called solar system. All planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets do not have their own light. They get the light from the sun. Thank you.